Hi, Miss Joanne.
We are going to talk about the benefit of including ICT in teaching mathematics and learning mathematics as well. So first of all, ICT can help teachers to make their worksheets easier. So for example, teacher can create their worksheets, prepare their worksheets, share their worksheets, and store their worksheets by using Google Docs. Another benefit will be teacher will include a lot of visual aids in preparing their worksheets or teaching mathematics, which is fit into 21st century learner. And teacher will use different kind of websites, for example like YouTube or Edmodo to teach mathematics. Yeah, like teacher will show some video clips by using YouTube to help the students to understand better about the concepts. Yes.
And to add on to that, because Miss Joanne, you use a lot of YouTube and you include a lot of ICT in our lesson as well. So for other teachers, we also experience ICT learning. Like one of our lecturer use Edmodo. So there's a lot of ICT interactions going on in our lecture. So I think it's very very good for even for us. So as for children, it's best to include ICT in learning. Why? Because as Kaisha mentioned, we have Google Docs, we have Google Share, we have Google Drive. All these are very convenient.
And there are a lot of pictures which can fit in for visual learners.
Yes, and 21st century learners are all visual aid learners.
Like
so
Piaget, they are in concrete operation stage, so they need some concrete things like pictorial abstract.
concrete pictorial abstract.
Concrete pictorial abstract.
Yeah, yes, you can include that in
Yeah.
our ICT as well.
Yeah.
So right here we have a list of benefits that we have gone through. Is with ICT we are able to cater. Our teaching is able to is able to cater to different kind of learning styles. So visual learners, audio learners, and so on. So it's not just traditional classroom, but with ICT you can target a lot of learning styles, different learning styles of students. And also we will have automatic feedback. So for example, in mathematics, if students were to learn addition, 10 minus 5, and they have a choices of A, B, C, and D. And when students get the wrong answer, they can immediately get the immediate feedback of whether the answer is correct or not. So it acts as a self-check and self-correction because they're able to correct themselves if the answer is wrong. And if it's right, then accomplishment, because sometimes ICT provides a very good reward for students and it makes them want to learn more. Like in our workplace, we have actually something called www.ixl.com. It's a mathematic website for students to develop mathematical conceptions, mathematical skills. So with the website actually provide a lot of rewards and self-check. So in our observation, we noticed that they like to do that. So I think with this kind of website, and we should create more of this website to produce more efficient learning in mathematics. And next is, like I said, visual learners. They are able to observe patterns like circle, square, circle. Then what's next? Square. With all this in computer, in your tablet, is more interesting rather than just printing a paper, and it's not eco-friendly. So you better go ICT as well. And next, this benefits is more to bigger age students where they can construct their own knowledge and they are given the empowerment to construct their own knowledge. Because according to Piaget, right?
Yeah.
He got skill of Piaget?
What?
Constructivism.
Piaget.
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 Okay, yes, constructivism.
Piaget.
Students learn best when they construct their own knowledge. And with their own understanding, they learn better. So with ICT, they are able to construct their own knowledge and they are empowered to do so. And next, we will have it develops explicit thinking of students, so they can think critically, they can share their information with their peers through internet, and all this encourage collaborative learning as well. So there are so many advantages of ICT by including ICT in our learning. So lastly, by using all this, parents are able to keep track of students' improvement as well. Like for instance, what we talked about just now, the www.ixl.com, parents are actually able to get access at home with the particular student's account and check on their accomplishment, their reward, how far they get, how far they have reached. With Edmodo, with different kinds of learning templates and times, all this, it allows parents to keep track. It allows parents to observe what are the pedagogies we are using. So with all this ICT, we believe that ICT is very, very important in producing a very competent and successful learner in school. And I think international school nowadays are using ICT as well. So I think it's very important. What do you think?
Yeah, highly encourage students to use ICT in learning mathematics.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I believe there are still a lot of benefits, but so far we have all these main benefits.
Yeah.
And that's all for our
vlog.
Yeah. We hope that Miss
You
Joanne enjoyed our
the
video. And we will see you next class.
Bye.
Bye.